How to change app icon size on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust the size of your app icons and tweak your home screen layout. First, long press on any empty space on your home screen to bring up the home screen options. From there, tap Home Screen Settings. After that, look for App Icon Size and tap on it. At this point, you'll see a slider with 3 levels. Drag it left to make icons smaller, or right to make them larger, depending on your preference. From here, the change applies to your home screen straight away, so you can see exactly how it looks before backing out. Following this, if you want to adjust how many icons fit on your screen at once, look for Grid Size on the same home screen settings page and tap on it. After that, you'll see a few grid options to choose from. A larger grid fits more icons on screen at once, while a smaller grid gives each icon more space. From here, tap on whichever grid size you prefer, and it will rearrange your home screen layout automatically. Finally, once you're happy with both the icon size and grid layout, tap Apply